I have built some really cool lamps before, but they all had one thing in common: they were complicated. This time I wanted to change that, so I made 3 beautiful lamps using just a standard bulb holder and LED bulb. They are easier to build, brighter, and even support smart bulbs. I found these E27 wall-mounted bulb holders on Amazon for around 300 rupees or about $3. You can use almost any wall-mounted holder because these lamp designs are compatible with most of them, and I'll show you why. To power them, I'm using this standard power cord. Let's start with my favorite design. It's simple, elegant, and surprisingly easy to print. I printed every part in PLA and none of them needed supports, making the whole printing process hassle-free. All the parts turn out really well. This is the outer mesh, which gives the lamp its unique look while letting plenty of light pass through. Next is the base, nothing too special here. And finally, the diffuser. This is the only lamp that has 3 printed parts, the other 2 use just 2. Now that everything is ready, let's put it together. Assembly is super simple. Start by passing the power cord through the hole in the base, then connect it to the bulb holder. Next, secure the bulb holder to the base using 2 M3 or M4 self-tapping screws. Now you might be wondering how this design supports different wall mount bulb holders. The trick is simple that I didn't add fixed mounting holes. Instead, I designed a long mounting slot, so the exact hole spacing doesn't matter. As long as your bulb holder fits inside the base, it should work. Now it's time for the bulb. You can use any E27 LED bulb, but I'm using a smart one like the Philips Hue, so I can change the colors whenever I want. Next, I install the diffuser on top, then finish it off by installing the outer mesh. Alright, look how beautiful this lamp looks. It turned out even better than I imagined. It doesn't just light up the room, it adds character to it. Whether you place it on a table, a shelf, or a desk, it instantly makes the space feel warmer and more inviting. Next up, I honestly had no idea what to call it, so let's just call it the hollow lamp. Because, well, it's hollow inside. As you can see, the print turned out really clean and it's completely hollow on the inside. This is the base, nothing fancy here. The assembly is exactly same as the first lamp. In fact, all 3 lamps use the same assembly process. Alright guys, here's the finished product. This one has completely different personality. Instead of using an outer mesh, the entire body glows, creating a soft and seamless light from the top to bottom. Before moving on to the final lamp, a quick shout out to Altium for sponsoring this video. If you're a student and want to learn how to design your own electronics from start to finish, the Altium Student Lab gives you free access to professional design software. You can create schematics, design PCB layout, and learn how real PCB boards are made. They also provide step-by-step lessons and hands-on projects, so you are actually building while learning. And the best part, it's completely free for the students. If you're serious about your electronic career, click the link below and join Altium Student Lab today. Coming back to the video, finally we have the last lamp. I wanted to keep this one simple and minimal, with a design that looks great in almost any room. Just like the previous lamp, all printed in PLA, I also enabled the fuzzy skin feature in the slicer, which gives the diffuser a subtle texture and more premium finish. As you can see, it has this texture on top. Same on the base, looks really nice. The assembly is exactly same as the previous 2 lamps, so let me quickly put everything together. Okay guys, so finally the lamp is complete. I love how clean and modern it looks. Since the entire body acts as a diffuser, it produces soft, even glow that's perfect for creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. And that's it. Let me know in the comments which design is your favorite. If you would like to build one yourself, all 3D files are available on Cult 3D, link in the description. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more 3D printed and DIY projects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.